Bosch 512.5 cubic feet B11CB50SSS stainless steel bottom freezer refrigerator. Bosch is a big name in the electrical appliances world. The company started making refrigerators long after its inauguration. Surprisingly, however, its cold storage products are as good as any other. Because of this, Bosch became a household name for refrigerators very quickly. And for anyone who still doubts this brand, we would advise you to check this model. It is as spacious as it is full of unique features. If that weren't enough, its high-end look would make you want it the moment you lay your eyes on the product. Compared to several other refrigerators, this one is quite slim. Its glass on white finish is quite eye-catching and makes it an ideal appliance to store in your kitchen, lounge, or any other place you deem fit. The freezer's cooling is excellent and can keep your perishable foods fresh for an extended period. What's even more impressive about this product is that it does not require regular maintenance, as it can endure rough use and continue to operate efficiently for years. That said, it would be ideal for getting a professional to check this product for faults if you want to prolong its life. Pros: excellent look, spacious, practical door bends, excellent freezing capability, highly durable. Con: the warranty could be a bit longer,